We introduce the hydrogen and oxygen machine and how to test its flow rate. For example, this one is 1,500 milliliters hydrogen-oxygen machine. The left O2 outlet is 500 meters per minute. The right H2 outlet is 1,000 milliliters per minute. So how do we detect the flow rate of hydrogen and oxygen? Today I will explain to you how to use the drainage method to detect. The first thing we need to prepare is a hydrogen and oxygen machine. A bucket of water. A bottle of 550 milliliters mineral water. A bottle of 1,500 milliliters mineral water. The right O2 outlet output is 500 milliliters per minute. The principle is to use pressure difference. First, we put a 550 milliliters bottle of mineral water filled with water. Then tip it upside down into the bucket. Then the hydrogen and oxygen machine starts to work. Gas produced by machine. We'll keep filling the mineral water bottle. The air pressure inside the mineral water bottle is getting bigger and bigger. It will remove the water in the mineral water bottle slowly. Then we use our mobile phones to start timing. Next, we start to detect the left O2 flow rate. First, we start the machine. Power on. Time for 30 minutes. Let's first check the air output of the oxygen port per minute. How to judge whether the oxygen port is breathing normally? We can put the vent tube inside this mineral water bottle. If you see bubbling, this is the production of oxygen. Then we reset the timer to 0. First, let's put the mineral water bottle upside down into this bucket. Then we start timing again. Remember to pour it upside down into this bucket. Don't let the water from the mineral water bottle flow out yet. Wait until the mineral water bottle sinks into the bucket. Then let go of your hand. Then extend the outlet of the oxygen port to the bottom. Remember that when it reaches the bottom, we need to start timing at the same time. Let's start now. We'll start timing when we reach the bottom. Start now. Then everyone can see this. The gas coming out of the oxygen port. Slowly, the water in the mineral water bottle will be slowly pressed out. Then the timer also starts and counts. The timer has started. Then the mineral water bottle slowly floated up. That proves that the water inside is slowly being drained out. The mineral water is empty and we start to stop the clock. Now, you look at 550 milliliters of the water has been drained. 1 minute and 1 second. That's 1 minute. Actual traffic. The machine parameter oxygen flow is 500 milliliters. The amount of oxygen about 560 milliliter. Mean. That is to say, show that our machines oxygen flow rate meets the standard. Next, we start testing the gas output volume of the hydrogen outlet. First, we connect the hose to the hydrogen outlet. Then the timer starts and we reset it to 0. Shame. How to judge whether the hydrogen outlet is releasing gas
We
normally?
can put the hydrogen outlet into
and
this
see
mineral
if it is
water
bubbling
bottle.
normally. Then also put the 1550 milliliters mineral water bottle. Pour it into our bucket. Also, don't let the water flow out. Stretch your hand to the bottom and let go. Then extend the hose from the hydrogen outlet to mineral water bottle bottom. Start timing when you reach the bottom. Shame. Hydrogen from the machine. Slowly all the water in the mineral water bottle will be drained out. The mineral water bottle is slowly floating up. You see, I didn't lift the bottle with my hands. I didn't support it. It will come up on its own. I gently hold the top. Bottle empty. We stop. For the 1550 milliliters water, the time we spend is 1 minute and 26 seconds. That is to say, normally, if the air output of our oxygen is 1000 milliliters, the amount of water discharged in 1 minute is about 1 liter. The amount of water discharged in and a half is about 1.3 liters. 1.5 liters in 126. The above is the use of drainage is qualified and excellent. The above is the use of drainage method to detect the flow rate of hydrogen. To buy the hydrogen-oxygen inhalation, please contact in our website www.ghexcellence.com. WhatsApp +6 619 337 17260. Thank you everyone for watching the video.